Alright, well there we are, part two. Like I said, pretty on the inside, only where she needs to be. Got a brand new distributor, doesn't have, dang, thought I had that thing loosened up. Won't come off of there. I could edit that out, maybe. Alright, after winding those 2-inch screws out of that thing for 15 minutes. Okay, we got to put this back in. Oh wait, how's the old one? Yeah, we got to check this again, make sure everything looks right. Looks right, looks right, that looks right. I guess it looks right. They're going to have that facing. Oh, we got a new rotor too. We don't need that yet. Hang on, we're going to put this in so that it's kind of like that. Now that old one's going to rotate a little bit when it comes out of the hole. It's going to turn that way a little. It's going to go like from there. It's going to go from like there to like there. So we're going to get it back in like probably about there, and then when it goes down, it'll go that way a little bit. That's my guess. Let's yank her out of there and see. Stand on my little block of wood to get in here. Okay, let's see. It was about at that angle, I believe. Something like that. So I want to pull. Yep, it's going a little bit that way. So I want that new one to go down in right about like that. Come on out of there. Alright, I'm going to need 2 hands for this. Oh, and it's hitting the wiring. Hitting that wire harness again. Man, that wire harness sucks. Oh yeah, and don't forget to pull this little shaft out of the other one and stuff it up in the end of this one. And while you're at it, put a bunch of grease on the little gear toofies there and on that O-ring. Everybody says you got to do that. So I'm going to shove this back down in there. Alright, I think I got everything on there all attached. Hoses back on. Most of this stuff out of the way. Most of the tools out of here. Got a couple extra parts. Let's go see if this thing runs. I almost forgot the most important part. Plug it in. Plug in the distributor. Alright, let's try. We got a gas tank on? Yep. Sounds pretty smooth. Yeah, I think it's getting full spark now, so I gotta go up and get some gas in this thing.